Hello everybody, hola and welcome to another unboxing video. And today we have the latest case here in Malaysia. A new year for Hot Wheels, which is 2025 99M 2025 A case. Yes it is. New year for Hot Wheels Mainline 2025. We are still in 2024. Yes it is. So excited. So let's open it up and let's see if the flying rodent curse continues into 2025. Yep. Let's take a look. There you go. First off, we've got new to the case, the kick card, HW ride-ons. Let's race. Look, that this is a new card for 2025. Wow, that is cool. Got a very, how should I say it, dynamic, with the background sort of like this thing going fast. Kick card. Maybe we can do a comparison. Retroactive on the previous case. There you go down. Let's see what's the difference. The background, the numbering. You see that? So far that's the difference. You can know which is the 2024 or 2025 card. That's the back one for the international case. Slightly different. Yup. Interesting. So new to the case, the Mazda AutoZam, a recolor, not a recolor but a new color for 2025, number 8. That's nice. Even the font is different. Look at that. That is cool. In case you didn't know, kick cut is number 23. New to the case, look at that, EV Diora 3 in purple. Not really keen on the color there. Oh god. Okay. Rally Special, which is from the previous case, and also from the previous case, the Tesla Cybertruck. Track D-Wagon from the previous case. Beautiful color. 96 Porsche Carrera from the previous case, the Magnus Walker one. New to the case, Purple Passion. Look at that. Netflix Let's Race, number 5. HW designed by. So most probably is the subline is going to be designed by Larry Wood. See that? Larry Wood designs. That is cool. Yes it is. Look at that. Purple Passion. Nice. New to the case, the Boxzilla, number 22. Another ride-ons. From the previous case, the Gold Bumblebee. Yes it is. That's nice. Yeah. Because I've heard that some got the base, there's no Bumblebee head there. So take a look at that also. A beautiful arrow if that's the case. Super Twin Mill. Wow, look at that. This is new to the case. So I believe in the international case they put the new to 2025 with this one. Look at that. That is cool. Easy to detect now. Super Twin Mill. That's a confirmation, which is 2024. We have a sort of like a clear plastic base there. Interesting. Super Twin Mill. Awesome. Morgan Super Tree. Look at that. That is cool. Factory Fresh. 3-wheeler. New for 2025, number 15. Interesting. From the previous case, the recall of the Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe in Gulf design. Also from the previous case, the Subaru Impreza, which is awesome. And yup, new to the case, the Batman and Robin Batmobile. So yeah, this is the first Batmobile in 2025, number 2. Yup. Oh, from the previous case, the Alfa Romeo GT V6 3.0, a recolor. And also a new casting for 2024, the Ford Mustang Dark Horse, which is beautiful. New to the case, the Max Steel Rod Squad, number 25. So far, the new 2025 in A case, not really that. Kowloon Hypervan, debut in 2024, returns as a pet transport. That is cool. Number 6. Kowloon. Oh, from the previous case, the Bugatti Bolide. Nice. New to the case, the Monster High Ghoulmobile, a return of the Ghoulmobile. Number 3, Monster High HW screen time. That's exciting. From previous case, the VW T3 Custom, new casting for 2024, mainline, and 83 Chevy Silverado, which used as the super treasure hunt of the previous case. Obviously, this is the normal one. McLaren F1 from the previous case. The 90 Acura NSX, also from the previous case. We got another Boxzilla. The 67 Lotus Type 49, the number 4 from the previous case. That is awesome. New to the case, 87 Audi Quattro in green. This is the normal version. I believe this is the one used as a super treasure, maybe not. Number 16, factory fresh. That is awesome. Got a green color, beautiful shade of green actually. Yes, it is. From the previous case, a new casting for 2024, the High Roller 2. That is awesome, under the rolling metal. Put it here. 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata in yellow from the previous case. Got another Super Twin Mill. That is awesome. Let's Race. For 2025. New for the case, custom 53 Chevy HW Tiki Time under the art cast. That is cool, with a transparent hood there. You can see the engine inside. Number 12, Tiki Time. Awesome. From the previous case, the Dodge van. One. Ooh, new to the case, Nissan Skyline GT RB and R32 screen time, which means yes, it is Fast and Furious number 4. Nothing on the front there, just on the back and on the side. Yeah, hope to get the front detailing, because the side is only just that. That's just the symbol. The GTR symbol, is it? Yeah, it's a missed opportunity actually. It's okay. Got a Fast and Furious, screen time, R32, and the last one for the first layer is the Speed Dozer from the previous case. Now that's interesting. We didn't get any regular in the first layer. Is it going to be in the second layer? The treasure hunt or the super treasure hunt? There you go. Second layer. Let's take a look. Okay, something's. Ooh, look at that. A little bit error packaging area. The 1966 Triumph Tiger 100, which is from the previous case. Tesla Model S Plaid, a red color. No, it's a new color for 2025, but debut in 2024. Number 9 in red now. That is cool. Front and back detail there. That is nice. Love the cut now. Yeah, that is cool. Got yourself another gold bumblebee. Still have the bumblebee face there. Bumblebee head at the base there. Nice. Got yourself another Porsche Carrera Magnus Walker from the previous case. New to the case, the 90 Honda Civic EF VTEC Civic front details in blue. Nothing on the back there. Number 28 under the HW70s versus 90s. Interesting. Now, is it going to be sort of like a now and then? 70s car with this decoration, 90s car with the same decoration. That is interesting. That is interesting. And new for the 2025 again, the Morgan Super 3. Morgan Super 3, put it here. Max Steel, another one. Two of those now. The Loopster from the previous case. Another Alfa Romeo GTV 6 3.0. Two of those now. The Ford Mustang Dark Horse, another one from the previous case. Nice. And also Dodge Van. Yup. Tractor from the previous case. Beautiful. Ooh, Nerve Hammer. This, you've seen this one quite for some time. X Racers is back. Look at that. Nerve Hammer. Let's Race number 13. For those who like the X Racers, there you go. Got yourself a Nerve Hammer. Small block now in taxi deco there. That for taxi. Interesting. Number 7, Chevrolet Metro, small block. Nice. New to the case, the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR LBWK HWJ Imports Tune Liberty Walk. We only have 5 of the J Imports. Interesting. Okay, now that's because of an error, not enough headlights there. Okay. Another Bugatti Bolide, 2 of those. Nice. New to the case, and yup, we got ourselves the regular treasure hunt Ford Performance Super Van. HW first response, nothing on the front. Beautiful on the back there, and there you go, the circle flame logo and circle confirmation. There you go at the cart. This is the regular treasure hunt for the A case number 17. Nice. Not really a fan of the casting actually, because yeah, no front detail tempo there. K swap, which is new for 2025. K swap, male art cast. What's it called? Matt Gabe design. W. Nothing on the front, nothing on the back, just the side. Small wheels there. That's interesting. Art cast number one, number 11. Okay, see on the back there. Yep, on the back. New casting. Okay, swap. Another Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe in a Gulf liveries. 2 of those now. Got some another Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR LBWK, the Liberty Walk. 2 of those also. The tuned version. Track Drag Wagon from the previous case. Another one. New to the case, the Draftnator under the X-Racers. Green, number 14. That is nice. That is nice. Another High Roller. Yup. And another 1966 Triumph Tiger 100. 2 of those now. Ooh, new to the case, the custom Cadillac Fleetwood under the Rod Squad in green. That is cool. Yes, it is. Number 24. Custom Cadillac Fleetwood. We put it here. Another Mazda MX-5 Miata. I don't know why this. Oh, this is a recolor. Yeah. Forgot about it. Another 90 Acura NSX in white from the previous case. Another Subaru Impreza from the previous case. Another retroactive from the previous case. New to the case, Alpha Pursuit first response. Alpha Pursuit. Yup. Number 18. I think this is going to be all card going to have this one, maybe, for the fantasy casting. Alpha Pursuit. McLaren F1 from the previous case. C7 Chevy C10 new to the case. W Hot Trucks number 21. Beautiful pinstripe liveries there. Yes, it is. Nice. 21 Ford Bronco Hot Trucks number 1. Number 20. BF Goodrich Bronco Grey. Number 2 on the side there. Interesting. Why is there number 2? Nice. Yup. Okay, this is the second Batmobile. Now, is the curse going to be gone? And the last 2, we've got the case swap and another 87 Audi Quattro. Yes, it is. So this normal one. Is this the one? Is this going to be a super traction for this case? Maybe. But I didn't get one. So maybe this is the one. You guys can comment down below. And there you go. Empty. Well, I think it's, I can say customary that the A case, the first case for the new year for 2025, it's kinda, yeah, new casting. It's okay, but that's, I think that's at this point A case not a very good case actually. Yep. So I'll be right back with the highlights. Okay, the highlights for me in the A case going to be the 87 Audi Quattro with a beautiful green there. The Fast and Furious Nissan Skyline GTR R32 in black. 90 Honda Civic EF. The Morgan Super 3, a new casting. The Super Twin Mill, also a new casting. And the Purple Passion for the nostalgic effect. There, it's been a while since a Purple Passion, right? yeah, not really that exciting for me. Definitely, what you guys think? Since I put, but you know what? It's okay. And the curse is broken. I only got 2 Batmobiles, maybe. So, you haven't subscribe, notification bell button, share if you want. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and comment down below what you guys think. AKs, it's normal. It's not going to be that great, right? AKs, yup. Got the repeat from the 2024 QKs, and yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Talk to you guys later. See you soon. Bye.